Up on the status of major vaccine candidates that are under development from around the world. The results from an early safety study of Moderna's corona vaccine candidate appears to be safe. The vaccine has shown signs of working in older adults. According to researchers, the vaccine has produced virus-neutralizing antibodies with side effects roughly on par with high-dose flu shots. The study, published in the New England Journal of Medicine, offers a more complete picture of the vaccine's safety in adults, a group that is said to be at a higher risk for severe complications for COVID-19. The findings are also reassuring because immunity tends to weaken with age.
People ask me about that all the time. Friends, yeah, how are you feeling? It's like it was like getting a flu shot, really. I mean, a very non-event sort of oriented.
An experimental COVID-19 vaccine being developed by the University of Oxford and AstraZeneca could be put before the regulators this year. The Oxford vaccine has shown some promise in the very first human trials when it produced an immune response, underlining its position as one of the leading candidates in the race to produce a vaccine. And GlaxoSmithKline, British multinational pharma company and the world's largest maker of vaccines, has said that the industry will be able to make an immunization vaccine against COVID-19 widely available by next year. Now, GSK is contributing adjuvants, efficacy boosters that play a vital role in many vaccines. Now, the group's most advanced project is with French partner Sanofi, and the two have said that they hope to get approvals for their candidates by next year. Meanwhile, Germany's CureVac has started a mid-stage study testing its experimental coronavirus vaccine, and it plans to begin a decisive global trial with about 30,000 volunteers in the fourth quarter. The vaccine developer plans to start the global trials after data from the ongoing studies. Now, CureVac is amongst the many in the race to develop a vaccine for COVID-19, with rivals including the likes of Novavax and AstraZeneca that have already conducted late-stage trials of their potential vaccines.